Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to dive into the world of mouth-watering brownies. So, let's get started with our brownie recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For eggs, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now, let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Melt the butter in a large saucepan over low heat. Once it's melted, remove it from the heat and add the sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. Stir until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs. Then, add the egg mixture to the butter mixture and stir until smooth. Gradually add the cocoa powder, stirring until it's fully incorporated. Finally, mix in the flour and baking powder until everything is combined. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And there you have it, folks. A delicious batch of brownies that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about brownies. Did you know that the first brownie recipe was published in 1906 in a cookbook called Fannie Farmer's Boston Cooking School Cookbook? It's true. The original recipe called for unsweetened chocolate, which was a bit of a departure from the sweet chocolate we're used to today. Another fun fact is that brownies were originally called brownie cakes and were meant to be served as individual portions. It wasn't until the 1930s that they started to be sold in larger, rectangular pans. And lastly, did you know that the world's largest brownie weighed a whopping 550 pounds? It was baked in 2012 in the UK and was made to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Girl Getting. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning about brownies and their fascinating history. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and fun facts. Thanks for watching and happy baking!